In this video, we're going to be learning how to gather DNS information with the WHOIS command. WHOIS command is a command line utility that checks the database where the information about domains are stored. It brings you information like who owns the domain. It can be a person or an organization, when it was registered, when it expires, which company manages the domain, and also where the domain servers are located. This is one of the first step of pen testing. Hackers mostly use the WHOIS command in the information gathering phase. So let's see how to use the WHOIS command in our Kali Linux. I'm in my Kali Linux right now. I will first open the terminal and use the WHOIS command in my terminal. There is also a WHOIS website which is much simpler. I will show you this in the later part of the video. Now to use the WHOIS in our terminal, I will type WHOIS space the domain that I want to gather the information from. In this case, I want to gather information about Google. So I will type google.com and press enter. In the output, I can see the domain name. When the domain google.com was created, it is in 1997 and it will expire on 2028. I can see it was updated on 2019. I can also see the company who registered the name is Mark Monitor, and this is the WHOIS server. This is the official website of Mark Monitor. I can see their email and also their phone number. If I scroll a little down, I can see the name servers of google.com, and if I scroll down, I can see there is another entry of google.com. This time, as you can see, it is in lowercase letter, but the information of the domains are the same. If I scroll down, I can see the country, which is US. I can see the state, which is California, the admin organization, which is Google LLC, the state, the country, and other informations including the name servers. If you do not want this much output, you can also filter WHOIS by the grep command. So type WHOIS space the domain space the pipe symbol space grep space dash capital E space in double quotation the information that you're searching for, and I can see I get only the key informations. You can also find the domain information with IP address only. So if I type WHOIS space the IP address, this is the IP address of the Google DNS server. I can see I get the CIDR information, who owns the IP block, the organization name, the city, and additional details. Now let's go to the WHOIS website. Before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with Kali Linux commands, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the Kali Linux cheat sheet for beginners. It has all the commands that you will be using in your day-to-day task. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet, and you will get this cheat sheet in the first link in the description box. Now let's look at the website version of WHOIS. So I will open Firefox and go to the site who.is and press enter. Here I can type the domain or the IP address. So again I will type google.com and I can see all the information in a much clearer format, like the name servers, the date of expiry, the date of registration, and the company who manages the domain. By the way, I forgot to mention earlier, Mark Monitor is a domain registrar. It is similar to GoDaddy, which registers your domain. So that is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.